Imagine going back 5,000 years to a world with no coins, no banknotes, and no bank accounts. Yet people were buying, selling, borrowing, and trading every single day. How did they keep track of anything? Welcome to ancient Mesopotamia. This is where the earliest form of money wasn't gold or silver. It was simple record keeping. The story begins with clay tablets. Farmers, traders, and temple workers would press symbols into wet clay to record who owed what. It could be grain, livestock, oil, or even labor. These tablets worked like a contract. Once the clay dried, it became a permanent record. No one could argue against it. Over time, this system became more organized. Temples and palaces acted like early banks. They stored goods, issued receipts, and kept ledgers. If someone needed grain for planting season, they could take a loan. In return, they agreed to repay after the harvest. Interest rates were written clearly, often around 20% for grain. This was the birth of credit. People weren't exchanging money in the way we know it. They were trusting a documented promise. And with these clay tablets, trust became something you could hold in your hand. As trade grew, merchants started traveling with sealed clay envelopes containing tablets that worked like early checks. If the merchant lost the envelope, the seal made it hard for anyone else to use it. And if a dispute happened, the temple's official records backed everything up. By now, Mesopotamia had created something revolutionary. A financial system based on information, not metal. The entire economy ran on careful documentation, written agreements, and trusted institutions. This system shaped how civilizations handled trade, loans, wages, and taxes. Even today, our modern banking ideas ledgers, receipts, interest, and credit can be traced back to these clay tablets. So, the next time you use your banking app, remember, the roots of that convenience go all the way back to a scribe pressing symbols into wet clay under the hot Mesopotamian sun. If you want the next episode in the series, give this video a like. Share it with someone who loves history and subscribe to Finance Untold. The future episodes only get more interesting.